Straight Talk Home Internet offers flexible ways to pay your monthly bill. You can use the Straight Talk app, set up AutoPay for hassle-free payments, or pay directly with a credit or debit card. Your bill is due monthly on the same date you signed up, with a short grace period before service interruption. Late fees are avoidable with timely payments. The app, available on iOS and Android, allows you to manage payments, add cards, and use digital wallets. AutoPay, set up via the app or website, automatically deducts funds on your due date. Card payments can be made through the app, website, or by calling customer service. Choose the option that best fits your needs and keep your account in good standing. First, download the Straight Talk app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It's free and works on both iOS and Android devices. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section and tap Pay Now. Add your debit or credit card details securely or link your bank account. Funds are deducted instantly, and you'll receive a confirmation via email or SMS. For convenience, set up AutoPay by linking your debit or credit card or bank account in the app or on the website. This ensures your bill is paid automatically on time every month, preventing service disruptions. You can cancel AutoPay anytime with 24-hour notice. Mobile-first payments are popular, and AutoPay is hassle-free for managing monthly bills. Always double-check that payments are applied correctly to avoid overpaying or underpaying.